Hi everyone, welcome to Max Lewis Life Skills Corner. I'm going to take you through how to clean the microwave with lemon. First, you fill a bowl with a cup of water. And then you cut a lemon into 2 pieces. And squeeze the liquid into the water. And then you drop the 2 pieces of the lemon in the water and you place the bowl in the microwave and turn it on for 4 minutes to bring it to a boil. And when done, you leave the water in the microwave for 5 minutes to steam up the microwave. And then you bring it out, you use clean cloth, you dip it in the water, and then you clean the inside and the outside. Well, to shorten the video, I have already steamed up the microwave. So I'm going to bring it out, and that's what I'm going to use to clean the microwave. But before I bring it out, I need to protect my hands because it is hot. So I wear my gloves. So here you are with the water and then the lemon. Then I dip the clean cloth in the water and bring the 10 plates out and commence the cleaning. Clean all the corners, the top, the sides, you check. Yeah, everything is clean. Then I clean the door. Outside. Then next is the turntable. I'll make sure the plate is clean. And then place it back. Yeah, the microwave is clean and fresh again. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your time.